welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special guest here, Fabiola Suárez. If you don't know who she is a fellow Puerto Rican blogger just like me. She also has a YouTube channel, and today we will be filming the no mirror makeup challenge. I am quite nervous if you ask me, but we basically will be doing our makeup without a mirror, which is actually quite terrifying.
Yep.
Before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell notification button so you receive a notification every single time I make a new upload. I will have Fabiola's socials down below in the description box. We also filmed a video for her channel. We did the Never Have I Ever challenge.
It was so fun.
It was so interesting, some juicy stuff, you know, so I will leave the link down below as well so you make sure to go check it out. Now, if you want to see what terrible makeup we create without a mirror, then make sure to keep watching. If you're wondering, we have no mirrors whatsoever. We don't have a viewfinder, so excuse us please if we go out of frame or we look like messy people here. We're filming alone too, so we have no one to tell us what we're doing.
No.
So yeah, I'm gonna start off with my brows, and I'm using a pencil because it will definitely be easier than a pomade.
I'm using a powder. Big mistake.
Yeah.
I don't know where my brows are. I'm just going to put like a random line there.
I'm trying to feel them. I'm not gonna try to create an Instagram brow. I'm just gonna go very natural.
Yeah. We met via Instagram.
Yeah.
I think I like sent you a DM or like.
Yeah, you sent me a message, I think.
Like saying, hi, my name is Fabiola. I'm from Puerto Rico as well. I studied in the same college that you do.
Yeah.
And we just created that friendship by the DMs, you know?
Yeah, we had never met and we talked on Instagram all the time.
Yeah.
And then we had this Southwest meetup of bloggers.
We had a collab first.
Yeah.
On Instagram.
Oh yeah, we collabed on Instagram. We did a flower inspired look.
Yeah.
And then we met for the first time like 4 days ago? 3 days ago? I don't know.
On Sunday.
On Sunday.
Four
days ago. Do we tell them what products are we using so they know what we flopped with?
Yeah. I'm using the Anastasia Ebony Brow Powder Duo.
I'm using the NYX Cosmetics Micro Brow Pencil. Yours doesn't look that bad, honestly.
Really?
Yeah, what about
Yours
mine?
either.
Okay.
I think they look really good. Yeah, I'm going to be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer.
And I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Prime Primer and Base. This is the 50, which is the Hydrate and Smooth Primer. This is probably going to be the easiest part of the entire challenge.
Yeah.
I think this and foundation will be the easiest part. Okay, so I'm not just going to take my sponge and use my foundation.
I'm going to use the Sunky Beauty Foundation in the color 300.
Yeah, fun fact, I forgot my foundation for this challenge. We're at Fabiola's house right now.
I came through.
And I had to use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to mix with Fabiola's foundation. And you definitely can see the color difference here, okay? So, I was pretty scared, but we made it happen. It doesn't look that bad.
I think the hardest part will be the eyeliner. And
Eyeliner, lashes.
Like, no.
And lips, probably. No, lips won't be that hard, I think.
No, I have a lip gloss, so, you know.
I have lip gloss and lipstick, so you should do lip gloss and lipstick. So you don't leave me alone. I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. God, I don't want to step my eye out.
I'm using my Naked Skin Concealer.
I think I applied too much concealer.
I'm aiming for doing a triangle, but I don't think this is a triangle.
Okay, this is not that bad. I'm probably not blending it right, but this is not that bad. Okay, so now we're going to be setting our faces, and I'm going to be using the Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder. I'm going to blend the creases, you know.
I don't think I'm going to be using a translucent powder. I'm just going to be using this MAC Studio Fix powder to add like a little bit more coverage to my skin.
Since we probably didn't blend our foundation correctly. Oh my god. I'm anxious to see the final result, to be honest.
Yeah. This is kind of fun. I like it.
I'm scared. I'm really, really
I think we're doing
scared.
a good job.
What if we don't? What if we fail greatly? I don't know where I have set and where I haven't set.
Okay.
Okay, so I should set my eyelids, so I'm just going to take a little bit up. Now we're gonna contour.
I'm going to be using my Shade and Light palette, but I'm not going to use the mirror.
This doesn't have a mirror.
So
I'm gonna use the NYX one, the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette. I don't think this is that hard. Maybe I'll look like a muddy mess, but you know, I just think we gotta make sure of tapping off the excess and really
blending.
Yeah, I'm just taking a little bit because I'm so scared. While she finishes contouring, I'm going to bronze, and I'm making sure I don't use the mirror of the little Benefit box. I'm using the Hoola brush.
Question: what's the difference between bronzing and contouring, and where like you apply both of them?
I use contour on the hollows of my cheeks,
and then bronzer like all over, like
yeah, like to give warmth to my face.
Yeah. I don't have that.
No. Alright, so I'm going to add blush. I'm using the BH Cosmetics Floral Brush, and this has a mirror too, so I'm making sure I don't use it.
I'm using the Milani Luminoso blush. I bought this because, I don't know if you know the YouTuber Tina Halala.
Yeah, she loves that.
Yeah, she uses this so much, and I was like, you know, it's pretty chic, so why not try it? And she seems to be so obsessed with it.
I'm just not loving the Milani blushes, those in particular, the baked ones, because they have so much shimmer. I feel like it's more shimmer than pigment. So, I think that's enough. Maybe I look like a tomato, but no. For highlighter, I'm going to be using the Amrezy highlight, covering the mirror once again.
Oh, that looks so good.
Try it. You haven't tried it?
No.
Girl, it's bomb.
I won't be able to like look at myself to see how it looks, but
it's very intense. It's very beautiful. Let me see. Oh yeah. This is going by pretty fast because we're not having a mirror. We're not paying attention to our makeup. So hide the mirror. That palette has a mirror. She's using an ABH palette that has a mirror. So
this is a master palette by Mario.
My palette doesn't have a mirror. This is the ColourPop Yes Please palette. This is a very summery palette. And I'm going for a very neutral look because, you know, I don't want to look crazy. So I'm going to use, I just dropped my brush. So I'm going to be using this shade as my transition.
I used the Isabel shade.
Feeling out your crease is pretty easy.
Yeah. I think we went on the safe side by using like neutral colors.
Now I'm adding this orange shade to my crease as well. Don't know if it looks good, you know? Now I'm gonna go in with this very dark brown. Should I? You know what, I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna use this very dark brown on my outer corner. Okay. This can't be that bad, right?
I'm going to be adding a shimmer shade on the lid.
Okay, so now I'm going to apply this shimmer shade on my lid with my finger. Okay, so now I'm going to apply my crease shades on my lower lash line. Oh god. I think I got shadow on my eye. Oh god, this is a mess. Okay, so now we're gonna attempt to do winged eyeliner with the NYX Epic Ink eyeliner.
I'm using the Rimmel London Glam Eyes.
It's gonna be horrible. Oh Jesus.
I don't want to poke my eyes out, Karla.
No. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
Oh my god, you ruined it.
Oh my god,
Well,
I felt
can
it.
actually fix it, but it's like a really intense eyeliner. Like a really long eyeliner. Like it doesn't look that bad if you're going for that look.
I'm not going for that look, okay?
A natural eye with a huge wing. But
Oh my god, I can feel this going so wrong.
I'm so scared. I haven't done it. I should. Let me see. This is the first thing I do. This is the first thing I do. See? I saw.
Oh my god, look at this. No. This is so bad. Guys, I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh my god, we suck at makeup.
Look at this.
We suck at makeup.
Oh my, I keep applying it to my crease.
Yeah.
Like, I can't feel my lip. You know what? This is going to be like the trend now.
You know, I'm done.
This is going to be the trend, guys. Like, you have to get into this trend. This eyeliner trend.
I'm now going to set my face before I go in with mascara.
I'm not.
To make sure this beautiful makeup lasts
all day long.
All day long.
I think I just showered in that.
It smells so good though.
Yeah.
This is the Clear Cosmetics Clear Skin Facial Tonic, by the way. So I'm going to use my Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara.
I'm using my Better Than Sex Mascara from Too Faced.
I'm done.
With one eye?
With both eyes. Okay, so while our lashes dry, we're going to do our lips. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Pout Gel Lip Liner. This is in the shade Bare to Come.
I'm going to be using a lipstick, and this is the Milani lipstick in the shade Amore. Are you going to do a lipstick?
Yeah, but it's a normal lipstick and a gloss. Like, I'm not doing liquid lipstick. Now I'm going to go in with this Rimmel and Kate lipstick, and this is in the shade 47.
How are you going to do the Cupid's bow?
I don't think I am going to do the Cupid's bow. Oh yeah, I did.
I can't really do it with this.
Do I look crazy?
No.
Yeah.
She's so honest.
Now I'm gonna go in with this Hi-Fi Shine lip gloss from Urban Decay, and this is in the shade Fuel.
I'm just going to try and fix my mess with this lip gloss.
I love that lip gloss.
It smells so good.
Fenty Beauty. I'm gonna top off all the excess. Almost done. Yeah, it looks better now. So for the final touch, let's add on the lashes.
Touch.
Okay, I'm not even gonna try to apply them with tweezers because I don't want to be blind after this video, so I'm just gonna try to apply them with my finger. I can already see this going so wrong. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God.
Oh, my God. I shouldn't have agreed to this.
Yeah, we should have chosen another challenge. Oh, my God.
Try this.
Oh, this is making me so anxious. We're a mess.
She's like,
We're
oh
a
my
mess. I don't want to see myself in the mirror, but
I want
this is
to
the finished look.
Yeah.
Should we see a mirror in 1, 2, 3?
Yeah.
Y'all are probably gonna unsubscribe after
Don't
this.
unsubscribe.
Please don't.
No.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. You know what? My face is so like good.
I'm impressed, to be honest. What? Look at my freaking eyebrows.
You know what? What messed up my look
Was the eyeliner for sure.
was the eyeliner and this unblended brown eyeshadow.
Yeah, I saw that. You know, my eyeshadow is not that bad. It's just like...
My eyeshadow on this side is so nice compared to this blob. Could have done better, but you know, no mirror.
What could we have done to make it look better? Get a mirror.
You know what? You guys should comment down below. Who do you think won this challenge?
Obviously me.
Was it Fabiola?
Nah,
Or
was
was it me with this messy eyeliner? What do you think? What do you think?
To like balance everything.
Alright guys, so this is the beautiful finished look for my makeup and for her makeup. I hope you enjoyed this video. We had so much fun creating it for you. It was honestly a thrill.
Yeah.
of anxiety,
Yeah, and
stress, and everything bad, but it was funny. It was fun.
Yeah, we
so,
had a good time.
Yeah, I'm really happy we made this collab happen, and I'm pretty sure there will be more to come.
Of course.
So be sure to follow Fabiola on our social media. Watch the Never Have I Ever challenge, which will be linked down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to like this video if you liked it. Comment down below who you think won this challenge. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!